Okay, so hello everyone. I'm Dipshika from Bodhi Academy. In today's video, we are going to start with a new chapter from 7th standard mathematics NCERT textbook, that is the chapter number 8, comparing quantities. Okay, so we'll start with the introduction in today's video. So let's see. Okay, so that this is the chapter number 8, and the name of the chapter is the comparing quantities. Okay, comparing quantities, that means in normal life, in daily life, we used to compare the things with each other, like for example, height, body weight, or the amount of food that we have, we like to compare, or the exam marks. Okay, so here there are examples which are given, we need to understand. Okay, what are these means. So here there is a example. So first example that is given of height. Okay, so Hina's height and the Ami's height which is given. Ami's height is 75 centimeter and the Hina's is 150 centimeter. So here how we can compare this, let's see. In two ways we can compare. Hina is 2 times taller than Amir, because 75 is the half of the 150, correct, and 150 is doubled of 75. So Hina is 2 times taller than Amir. And other way we can compare it by the like this. Amir's height is half of the Hina's height. Okay, so there is another example which they have given, that is 20 marbles, they are divided between Rita and the Amit, such that Rita has 12 marbles and Amit has 8 marbles. So we say that Rita has 3 by 2 times the marble that Amit has. How we can do it, how many Rita has 12 marbles and Amit has 8 marbles, correct? So 12 divided by 8. Okay, so 4 3s are 12 and 4 2s are 8. That's why we got 3 by 2 times the marble that Amit has. We have to convert it into fraction, okay, for our comparison, for better understanding. Then we have to see about the Amit. Okay, so how much Amit has. So Amit has how much? 8 marbles, and Rita has 12 marbles. So 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12, correct? So Amit has 2 by 3 part of what Rita has. Understood? So here one more example they have given, that is we compare here the speed of a cheetah and a man. Here they have told that the speed of a cheetah is 6 times the speed of a man. Okay, so how we can say the speed of a man is 1 by 6 of the speed of the cheetah. 1 is the speed of the man, and 6, here we are comparing it with the 6. Okay, that is the speed of the cheetah, 6 times it's higher. Okay, how we got this fraction, here they have told that speed of cheetah is 120 kilometer per hour, and the speed of the man is how much? It is 20 kilometer per hour. So we can divide it. 20 divided by 120. 20 ones are 20 and 26 are 120. Okay, that's how we got this 1 by 6. Understood? We have already learned about this type of comparison in class 6. Okay, so we'll see the more. Here we can write this comparison in the form of ratio also. So how, in the first example they have told that Ina's height and the Amir height, correct? So we can write it in the form of this. Ina's height is equal to Amir's height. So how much is the Hina's height? That is 150 centimeter is to Amir's height is 75 centimeter. If we divide both this 150 and 7 by the HCF, okay, that is the 75 ones are 75 and this is equal to 2. So that is 2:1. Okay, this will be easy, this will become easy for us while comparing. So yeah, so if Hina's height was 150 centimeter and Amir's height was 100 centimeter, then the ratio of their height would be how much? Hina's height is equal to Amir's height. Okay, so Hina's height would be 150 and Amir's height was 100. here it was 75, but here they have given one condition. If it was 100, then how would you have solved it? Okay, so 150 divided by 100 is how much? It will give us 3 by 2. How? We have to divide it by, let's say, 50. So it will give 3 and it will give 2. Okay, so 3 is to 2. That is, this is same as the ratio for Rita's to Amit's share of marbles. This ratio, that is 3 is to 2. Here also we got, no? Yeah, here also we got 3 is to 2. Okay, so we'll solve one example. Find the ratio of 3 kilometer to 300 meter. So if we want to find out the ratio of these, then first we need to convert the distance into the same unit. Okay, either into kilometer or either to meter. Okay, so we'll now convert this kilometer to meter. So for that you have to always remember that 1 meter is equal to, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, so accordingly you have to convert. So here they have given 3 kilometer. 3 kilometer into 1000, that is 3000 meter. So now you have to take ratio of this. 300 meter is okay, so 3000 is to 300. So divided with the highest common factor, that is 1, and here it is 10. So 10 is to 1 is the ratio we have found. There is something which is called as equivalent ratio. Okay, let's see what is this. Okay, so here they will give different ratio, and we have to compare whether the given ratios, they are equivalent to each other or not. Okay, so first we need to write the ratio in the fraction form. Okay, and then compare them by converting into fractions. Okay, so and then we will come to know whether they are equal or not. So let's start with the example. So here they have given two ratio, that is 1 is to 2 and the 2 is to 3. If they are both equivalent, so first we need to convert them into fraction, that is 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, so then we know about cross multiply. Here this 1 by 2 we have to multiply with this denominator, that is 3, and here we have to multiply with this denominator, that is 2. Okay, so after multiplying, 1 is to 3 gives 3, and 3 is to 3 multiplied by 2 gives 6. Here so after getting cancelled, the final, okay, and then we need to multiply these fractions also. So 2 into 2 and 3 into 2, that will give rise to 4 divided by 6. Okay, so 3 by 6 is greater than, obviously, 4 by 6. Okay, 4 by 6 is, yeah, which means that 1 by 2 is greater, yes, greater than 2 by 3. Okay, so therefore the ratio 1 is to 2 is not equivalent to the ratio 2 is to 3. Okay, so next example they have given, that is the performance of a cricket team in the matches it played. Okay, so here last year and the third year. So wins was last year 8 and the losses was 2. This year they win 4 matches and loses 2 matches. So the question is, in which year was the record better? And how can you say so? By looking we can say that last year was the record was the better, last year one. Okay, so let's see in terms of these ratios. Okay, last year it was wins is to loses was 8 is to 2, correct, which that means 4 is to 1 after getting cancelled. Okay, this year the wins is to loses were 4 is to 2, which equals to 2 is to 1. So obviously 4 is to 1 is greater than 2 is to 1. In fraction form also, 4 by 1 is greater than 2 by 1. Okay, so hence we can say that team performed last year was better, correct, because their ratio is very high here also. Okay, So here also they have given, okay, here one example they have given, keeping things in proportion and getting solutions. Okay, Aruna made a sketch, okay, of the building she lives in, and she also drew a sketch of her mother standing beside the buildings here. So there is her friend Mona. Said, something was wrong with the drawing. Okay, so can you guess what is the wrong which is in this drawing? Okay, so here in this case, the ratio of the heights of the drawing, that should be same. Okay, ratio should be same. Okay, like for example, actual height. So actual height of a building up divided by actual height of a mother, that should be equal to height of a building in drawing upon the height of a mother in the drawing. Okay, so the ratio should be similar. So then only we can say that the drawing is in proportion. Okay, so like for example, flags and all, they have made in fixed ratio of the length and its breadth. Okay, mostly they are in 1:5:1 or 1:7:1. Okay, so like that. So we'll solve some examples. So here a map is given with a scale of 2 centimeter. Okay, 2 centimeter is equal to 1000 centimeter, sorry, 1000 kilometer. So what is the actual distance between the two places in kilometer? If the distance in the map is 2.5 centimeter, that we have to find. So here Arun and Meera, they did it. Okay, so here what they have did, first Arun did in a equivalent ratio method form, and Meera does it in the unitary method. Okay, so we'll see both the methods. So in the equivalent ratio methods, here Arun solved like this. He considered the distance which have been asked, that is as x kilometer, because we don't know, we have to find out. So we have to consider it as a 6x kilometer. Okay, then what is given, 100,000 kilometer, okay, is to x, because we don't know, we have to find, and 2 is to 2.5 centimeter, that distance they have given. So 1000 divided by x is equal to 2 divided by 2.5. So 1000 into, here cross multiplication, 1000 into x into 2.5 upon x is equal to 2 by 2.5 into x upon into 2.5. So if we multiply this, and this 2.5 and this 2.5 will get cancelled, so only 2 and x will remain. Okay, so if we take out x on one side, and this 2 will get divided over here, and the answer that will come is equal to 1250. So the distance, that 2.5 centimeter, is equal to 1250 according to the Arun. And according to Meera, she solved with the unitary method. Okay, that means directly she solved. So here 2 centimeter means 1000 kilometer, that they have given. Okay, so 1 centimeter means how much, that she is finding. So what she did, she divide this 1000 with the 2 kilometer, and she then okay, this is equal to 1 centimeter. Then for 2.5 centimeter, what she did, she took this expression over here, 1000 by 2 into 2.5 she did, because they have asked for 2.5. Okay, so that equals to 1250 kilometer. So the answer is same and both are correct. You can use any methods, whichever you want. So here more examples they have given, that is example 5. Here 6 balls that cost for rupees 90. So what will be the cost of 10 such balls, that we have to find out. So 6 ball is equal to rupees 90. So the cost of one ball, how much it is, 90 by 6, that we have to find out. Okay, so if we divide, then we'll get the cost of one ball. So cost of 10 balls is 90 by 6, okay, into 10, because we have to find for 10. So that equals to rupees 150. Okay, so here in this example, the car that I own can go 150 kilometer with 25 liter of petrol. Okay, 150 kilometer with 25 liter. How far it go with 30 liters of petrol? So what we have to do, 25 liters of petrol, the car goes up to 150 kilometer. So 1 liter the car will go by 150 by 25. So we have to multiply it with 30, and that is the answer is 180 kilometer. So with 30 liter of petrol, the car can go up to 180 kilometers. Okay, so now we'll solve this exercise. In this exercise there are 3 problems which are given. So we have to find the ratio of the 5 rupees 5 to 50 paise. So if you want to find the ratio, we need to convert it into one unit form. Okay, whether we have to convert this rupees into paise or this paise into rupees. Now we'll convert the rupee into paise. So we know that one rupee is equal to 100 paise. Okay, so 5 multiplied by 100 will give 500 paise. Correct? So the ratio will be 500 paise is to 50 paise. Now we need to divide it with the LCM, that is 50. Okay, 1 and 10. So the ratio that could be for first is the 1 is to 10. Okay, then the second, that is 15 kg to 10 gram. Okay, here also we need to convert the kg into gram. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, that we know. Okay, so 15 multiplied by this 1000, how much it give? 1500. So 1500 is to 210. So we need to divide it with the HCF, that is 30. Okay, so that will give rise to 7 by 210. So the 210 is to 7. This is the ratio. Okay, so 9 meter to 27 centimeter. So here also we need to convert. Okay, we will solve it here. See, meter to centimeter we need to convert. Okay, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, that we know. So 100 multiplied by 9 is 900. Correct? So 900 is equal to 27. So we need to divide it with the HCF 3. Yeah, we can divide. Okay, with 9 we can divide. 9 3s are 27, 9 1s are 1. So 100 is to 3. Okay, then the fourth, that is 30 days to 36 hours. Okay, so here we need to convert it into hours, these days. So we know that 1 hour is equal to 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Okay, so 30 days into 24. So that will give 720 hours. So 720 is to 36. Okay, so it is how much? By 24 we have to divide, and the answer is 20 is to 1. Okay, so here in a computer lab, okay, we have to find there are 3 computers for every 6 students. How many computers will be needed for 24 students? Okay, that will solve over here. So 3 computers for 6 students, okay, is required. So how many computers are required for 24 students? That we have to find out. So how can we find out? We know that okay, solution, we know that 3 student requires 6 computers. Okay, so every one student will be needed how much? Every one student will needed 1/6 computer, correct? Not 1/6, it is 3/6. 3/6 computer. So therefore every 24 students need 3/6 into 24, like the previous one only. So here we'll get it as, after cancellation, 3 into 4. Okay. 6 1 is 6, 4 is 24. Okay, 3 into 4 is 12 computers are required for 24 students. Then the next problem that we saw, a population of Rajasthan they have given. Okay, third problem, population of Rajasthan (570 lakhs). Okay, UP 1660. Okay, and the area of Rajasthan they have given, area of Rajasthan, area of Rajasthan is how much, 3 lakh per kilometer, per square kilometer, and UP area is 2 lakh kilometer square. Okay, so now how many people are there per kilometer square in both these states, that we have to find out. How many people are there in per square kilometer in both the states. Okay, so population of Rajasthan is how much it is, so number of people that we have to find out, correct? Number of people per square kilometer. So in Rajasthan the population is 570, that divide by area is how much, it is 3 lakh, so that will give rise to 190. So 190 people are present in per square kilometer in the Rajasthan. Okay, so now we'll calculate for UP how much it is given. UP the population is in UP now. Okay, UP the population is how much, it is 1660 lakhs. Okay, and the area that is 2. So after division we get that 830 peoples are living in per kilometer square. Okay, in per kilometer square 830 peoples are present in the UP. Okay, now the second questions they have, which state is less populated. Okay, if we compare both the, that is 190 per square kilometer that people found in Rajasthan, and 830 peoples per kilometer square was found in UP. So the highest number are in UP, and the one that is Rajasthan is less crowded. Okay, so answer is that state of Rajasthan is less crowded. Okay, less populated, and UP is more populated. So yes, so the remaining part will continue in the next chapter. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video, share with your friends, and do subscribe the channel. Thank you.